Welcome to Data Enthusiast. So in the last video we have learned that how to print a Fibonacci series up to n terms with while loop. Now we'll learn how to print a Fibonacci number up to a certain terms with for loop and a surprise method. I'll show you. Okay, so now we know what is Fibonacci series. Okay, so I'm defining a function here named as Fibonacci, and I am passing an argument here which will be passed by the user as n and semicolon, and in the indentation, focus here what I am doing. I am typing 3 double colons and I am writing this is a recursive function that print Fibonacci series. So this is nothing but just a docstring which is explaining that what is this function all about. And as in the last video we'll define A and B as the initializing numbers of our Fibonacci series, and we'll run directly a for loop for I in range 0 to n. N is a number up to the terms Fibonacci numbers up to the n in the range 0 to n, and print A. A is nothing but 0 and end. So every time in the for loop the A will be updated. How? We'll define a temporary variable equal to A. Right? The value of A will be given to the variable temporary, and will give A is equal to B. The value of A will be now the value of B, and B will acquire the value of temp, which is nothing but a value of A plus the value of B. Please try this and do these calculations on paper so that you can easily understand what is happening here, and then return simply A. This is nothing but a simple Fibonacci series program with for loop. We have defined everything. So this is something a surprise method from me. Focus here. We have to print. We are calling the function here Fibonacci, and what I'm doing, a accession operator, 2 underscores, doc, and again 2 underscores. When I'm let me just run this. Shift enter. Yeah, successful. No errors, and print. Print docstring. So this is just giving me the information that what is this all about. This is a recursive function that print Fibonacci series, and print Fibonacci. I am calling this function here and passing the value of n as, let's say, 6, and shift enter. So the series is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and the program is successful up to 8 terms. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 and 21. 8 plus 13, 21. Right, very nice. Thanks for watching the video. This is nothing but a very simple program to find Fibonacci series. Thank you.